Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting from since the start of pretty much my hair growth journey, and that is why my hair is always wrapped up. Some of you want to know if I'm hiding something. Other people want to know, is it for religious purposes? And there are some of you who just want to see my hair. So firstly, here's my hair for all of those people who want to see my hair. It is here, it is growing, it is flourishing. For those of you who want to know if I do this for religious purposes, please stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be answering that question. But for the most part, I'm going to be answering why it's always wrapped up, how I wrap it, and I want to give you different looks on how you can enjoy your hair growth journey if your hair is wrapped up. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So I get many questions asking me about my scarf and why my hair is always wrapped up, and I keep it wrapped for three main reasons. The first reason, and of course reason number one, is because I went through hair issues. I lost my hair, had alopecia. I'm very particular about keeping my hair protected from the outdoor elements, protected from it rubbing against my clothes, just protected in general because I don't want to lose my hair again. The second reason why I keep my hair wrapped and protected is because it keeps my hair moisturized. So if I use a leave-in spritz, if my hair is maybe damp coming out of the shower, I wrap it up and it actually keeps my hair moisturized, which really helps my hair to grow. So that's the second reason. And the last reason is because I actually play in my hair a lot. If my hair is left out, like literally this little area could be left out and I would literally be playing with that area all day long. So those are the three main reasons why I keep my hair wrapped on a regular basis. Now there's a lot of you who want to know how I wrap my hair. So what I want to do is show you my two signature looks that I use whenever I'm going out. Now before I show you those two styles and how I wrap my hair, I want to know, do you like style number one or style number two? And you will know what I'm talking about when you see the next clip. All right, so I'm gonna be showing you how I wrap my hair. Now I wrap my hair in two different ways. I think some of you have seen me. I either have it in pigtails or a ponytail, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. Now my hair is pretty messy, and typically if you have dirty hair or frizzy hair, or you just wanna cover up your hair and you don't wanna wear a hat or put in gels and creams, then wrapping it with a scarf would be the best option. So what I'm gonna do is you will see this messy hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and look appropriate going outside. So first thing I'm gonna do is the pigtail style, because this is the one I use the most often, only because I like having that little part there and keeping my hair to the side. I feel like with my shaped head, pigtails are kind of cute. I find like when my hair is back, then my forehead looks a little bit more, you know. What we'll do is let's put it in pigtails. I get two of these snagless, seamless scrunchies. Part my hair in a very haphazard way. I will not use a comb or a brush. I will just go all the way down. And you don't need a comb or a brush because you are putting it under the scarf. So what I will do is just put it in a very big pigtail, kind of close to my ear. And you will see why in a minute. And then I will get the other one. And this is where you can either put all the hair back, or you can maybe leave a little piece out. Once again, I'm gonna put all my hair back because this is typically how I wear my hair when I'm doing the scarf. By my ear and make it as big and puffy as possible. Then what I do is I get one of these bigger scrunchies and I put it right over my hair right there. Not only does it help the scarf to stay on my hair, but it gives the illusion of like thicker hair. So when you do put the scarf on, you got a little bit of thickness. And if for whatever reason your hair is, you know, shorter than mine, or it's not as full as mine, then once again, you can just double up with another scrunchie and just give that really thick illusion. Take the scarf, I put it right over. I will pull down the front, put it behind my ears, or you could just do it over your ears. That's cute too. Let me do over the ears. And what I will do is in the back, I will crisscross in the back. So it's just crisscrossed, nothing fancy. And then I will bring these over the pigtail. I will tie it in a knot. And then I will just go and secure that. And then I will hide this part right in here. Once again, I try to make sure everything is under the scarf. I make sure that the base of the scarf has been tucked in, and then this little piece you could fiddle around with how you feel fit. Now, when I'm doing the ponytail style, I will only do it in a low ponytail. I'm pretty sure I might have tried it in a big ponytail back in the day, but I really like the simplicity of the straight back bun, you know, all put together look. So once again, you can have, once again, this is not parted, but you know, if you want that slick part, go ahead and part it. I really can't do it on dry hair, and I'm not going to break my hair off. Now, because my hair is a little bit thicker, I don't typically like to use these scrunchies, so I will go ahead and just use a big one. I will put it in a bun. I will get the other scrunchie, have more of that full effect. So I will go ahead, put on the scarf. Now this, I did cut my hair recently. I wanted some bangs, so I cut some bangs, and I really don't want to damage that hair, so I'm just going to gently tuck it under the scarf. Same idea at the back. We are going to tie this, right? So it's nice and secure. Then what I like to do is take one scarf and just put it right over that bun. Okay. Then I will scoop up the other bits of the scarf, kind of like tuck it around like that, you know, just swirl it all the way around. But I will use another scrunchie to hold it in place. And it has this big full look. And then what you can do actually after that is put on one of those bigger scrunchies. With hairstyles like these is that you can literally just do it however you feel comfortable. I've been doing it like this for years, and I'm pretty sure that there's a way that you can get a longer piece of black scarf and tie it and make it look all cute and professional. But for me, this is basically a professional bun without playing in my hair, without brushing it, manipulating it. I basically use my scarf like my hair. So now that you see how I typically wrap my hair, please go ahead and leave. Did you like style number 1 or style number 2? I just want you to know that while you are on your hair growth journey, if you are getting bored of the scarf, the plain black scarf, please feel free to switch up your makeup, switch up your jewelry, switch up the color of your scarves, make it match your outfit, and just feel good about keeping your hair protected while you are on your hair growth journey. Because when you do choose to leave it out, that's where you're gonna see the fullness, the thickness, the length, and you will understand why I keep my hair wrapped on a regular basis. Now that you've seen all of those looks, before I close out this video, which look did you like the best? Did you like look number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Before I close this video, I do want to answer that question for those of you who are asking about keeping my hair wrapped for religious reasons. I will keep my hair wrapped based on this scripture if I am praying, and that is the only time I will feel comfortable having my hair covered. But outside of that, if I'm just in church and I'm not praying and I'm not doing anything in that world, I won't care to have it wrapped. But besides that, I hope this answers your question. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.